in this course what we are going to talk about different thing. I'm going to share with you in just a minute. I will say that join these courses and make sure that you are giving me ratings so that I get inspired and create much more course for you. And let me show you that what we are going to learn in this course. Followed my previous tutorials like this one, so you know that what I'm going to talk about. If you don't know, so don't worry, I will explain basic stuff here. So there is two things. If you are creating any application for the cross platform, so you have to use the Unity XR and OpenXR. And in Unity XR and OpenXR, whenever you are going to use any avatar system, so at that time you will need a body tracking. So there you can use the body tracking for Unity IK thing, inverse kinematic, or you can use the final IK. So here you can see we will talk about in this course what we are going to talk about. We will talk about two things. I will talk about Unity XR in case you want to cross platform. So this is the avatar. So I have used the Ready Player Me. You can use any avatar, so don't worry about it. I have used the Normcore multiplayer SDK and I love the Normcore. In the future tutorial you will know that why I'm sharing the Normcore. There are so many multiplayer SDK. I will also talk about them, what are the drawback, what are the advantage. You will know all the things, but I'm just sharing that what we are going to learn in this course. So you will see that in this demo I've shared with you, I have joined with the multiplayer. Okay, and here you can just in the Normcore best thing is that voice chatting is very free, and you can just grab things, you can talk with each other, you can join any room. And few people were asking me when I share on my YouTube channel that you did not enter any room name. So it's depend on us that we want to enter the room name or we just want to do the internally by using the code. So we will also talk about this, so don't worry about it. And if you have any question, so please join me on my Discord channel. Currently it is not properly open, but I will provide the link so that you can check out. So this is the first thing. And few people love the Meta XR, like all the product related to Meta XR, and they are targeting only for Meta devices. So in that case we can use, that is the Meta avatar system with the Normcore. So here you will see that I've just joined, and after few seconds my player coming in the blue, and after that it is going to be a proper player. So what is the Meta avatar? So whenever you use your login your device Meta Quest 3 or any Meta device, so you know by default avatars. So those avatars you can use in your application, your game development. So that thing I have used to multiplayer, and I requested my one friend to join from the system. He is using the simulation. So here you can see he have joined and we are able to grab the things. And this is my avatar, he is blue avatar. And why it is blue? Because he have joined from the PC system. And if you are going to join with the Meta device, so you will get the proper avatar. What are the cases, how we are going to do, we are going to cover. And this thing you are not going to get anywhere on Udemy as well as on the YouTube. This is the exclusive thing you are getting. So I will request, please join the course. And if you want to explore the basics, so you just explore the basic and give me the rating. And if you want me to chat with me, join the Discord and message me directly, or you can also post on the directly on the, you can say any channel, general or chat. We can integrate the SDK, but lots of people, students as well as managers as well as artists, don't know how to perform the version control or taking the backup of your project or working with the team on the project. So it was very important me to create something that is creating the gap. So I created this course because I was working with one client that was from the US, and there are lots of confusion in the Git due to that. If they face any errors and they get the panic that we are getting the panic due to the errors. But if you are going to follow the Git, so you know that how to manage, how to keep your backup in the branch, how to discard anything. So this is really very important course. You can also join this one, and I think it will be available in 1 to 2 days, but this course will take time to complete. So I think 1 week or 10 days I will take to complete this course. So that's it, and this is all about me as well as on my as well as my course. If you want to ask anything, so just let me know. See you in next lecture. Welcome to my course, and thank you so much for joining.